21. Tiling costs 2.89 per square foot. What is the cost to tile a kitchen whose dimensions are 4 yards by 5 yards? So dito magkaibang unit. Dapat alam mo kung anong sukat ng yard, and that is 3 feet. 1 yard equals 3 feet. Eh yung 1 meter naman, 3.28 feet. Dito tayo sa yard. So i-convert mo muna yan, yung ano na yan, 4 yards by 5 yards. So multiply mo yan sa 3. 4 times 3, 12. 5 times 3, 15. So, yun ang area. Kasi multiply mo lang sa 2.89. At ang sagot ay letter D, 21. Tiling cost 2.89 per. One-eighth of a bookstore's magazines are sold on a Friday. Ibig sabihin, yung natira 7/8. Kasi 1/8 yung nabenta, so 7/8 yung natira. Now, the second sentence, if 1/4 of the remaining magazine, yung 7/8, are sold the next day, what fractional part of the magazine remains at the end of the second day? So, yung remain, kasi nabenta 1/4, so 3/4 ang natira. So, yung 3/4 na yan, multiply mo sa 7/8. So, so, ang magiging value niyan ay, so, 3/4, 7/8. So, 3 times 7, 21. Yung 4 times 8, 32. So, ang sagot dyan, letter D. Did Z deposited 300 into a savings account earning 5 1/4% annually? Actually, mataas yan. Sa bangko, 1% lang. So, malamang sa ibang nilalagay mo yan siguro sa mga stock. So, anyway, what is her balance after 1 year? So, multiply mo na yung 5 1/4% sa 300. And, siyempre, pag na-compute mo na yon, i-add mo yung 300 para ma-compute mo ang balance. So, ang 5 1/4% times 300 ay 15.75. At i-add mo yan sa 300. Ang sagot ay 315.75. Letter D. 24. One phone plan charges a 20 monthly fee and 0.08 per minute on every phone call made. Another phone plan charges 12 and 0.12 per minute for each call. Nung araw, may mga ganyang basis yan. Globe nag-offer, tsaka Smart ng piso per call or per text. Ngayon, may mga bundle na sila. So, sundin natin itong question. So, ilang minuto yung dalawang plan magmi-meet para maging equal sila? So, ito natin, mental calculation. Yung una, assume natin na, kasi ang choice is 60, 90, 120, 200. Assume natin 100 minutes. Ang una, multiply natin yung 0.08 sa 100, magiging 8 plus 20, 28. At yung pangalawa, 12.12 multiply sa 100, magiging 12 plus 12, 24. So 28, hindi sila nag-meet. Pero malapit na, hindi siya pababa, hindi below 100 kundi above 100. At by inspection, makikita mo agad dito yung 120 masyadong close sa 200. Ang answer, letter D. 25. The length of a rectangle is 3 times its width. If the perimeter of the rectangle is 40, what is its area? Dito, kailangan mag-drawing ka. Rectangle, yung length equals 3 width, 3 times the width. Of course, mas mahabang length sa width. So, yung length niya equals 3 times the width. Ang formula ng perimeter, i-add mo lang yung length plus width plus length plus width, or 2L plus 2W. Ayan ang given. Ang perimeter is 48. So, anong area? 48 equals 3W plus W, 3W plus W. So, i-add mo yan. W is equal to 6, and length, multiply mo sa 3 is 18. So, the answer is letter A. Isang solution din dito ay makita mo yung perimeter, letter D, hindi na kagad pwede kasi never na magtatagpo ang perimeter at saka area. Also letter C, 54, hindi din masyado malapit sa 48. So ang choices mo lang 108 and 96. Ngayon, pagka pinactor mo ang 96, ang isang pinakamalapit na factor niya ay 6 times 16. So, 6 times 3, hindi 18. So, hindi malinaw na agad. So, ang tamang sagot are letter A, 6. 26. A machine can produce 8,000 widgets in 3 hours. How many widgets are produced in 1 day? So, 3 oras, alam natin, 24 hours per day. So, ilan ang magagawa niya in a day? So, divide mo yung 24, divided by 3, 8. So, kita na kagad na 8 times 8 equals 64. So, the answer is letter B. 27. Sam buys 3 candy bars for 45 cents and 2 packs of gum for 79. What is the total cost of this purchase? Dito, bigyan ko ng estimation, mental math ulit. Yung 3 candy bar, 45, palagay natin 50 cents. So, 150, 1.5. 2 packs of 79 cents, palagay natin 80, 1.6. So, 1.6 plus 1.5 is equal to, ang pinakamalapit yan ay letter B. So, the answer is letter B. Mac throws a football 7 and 1/3 yards. Carlo throws it 2.5 times farther. How much farther did Carlo's throw travel than Mac's? So, si Mac ay kayang magbato ng bola ng 7 and 1/3 yards. So, 2.5 times naman si Carlo. Mas malayo siya magbato. So, ang tinatanong dito ay gaano kalayo yung bato, yung lampas kay Mac. So, dito, ibig sabihin, kung 2.5 times yan, ang layo, yung further, ay subtract mo sa 1 na yun yung kay Mac. So, 2.5 minus 1, 1 and 1/2. At i-multiply mo yan sa 7 and 1/3. So, may estimate na kagad natin yung 7, 1/2 ng 7, 3.5. So, 10.5 na yan. Ang at may konti pang addition ng 1/3. Ang pinakamalapit na sagot ay letter C, 11 yards. This morning, Toto drove 13 miles to the library and then returned home. So, pumunta sa library, layo naman yan, 13 miles na yan, punta ka lang sa library, then bumalik siya. So, doble yung 13 times 13. In the afternoon, he drove 9 miles to the movies and returned home. So, 9 plus 9, bumalik siya. How much farther did Toto travel in the morning? Yung 13 minus 9 is equal to 4. Ay bumalik pa. So, ang sagot, times 2. Sagot ay letter C, 8 miles. Number 30, Heidi tallied the different car colors in the parking lot and summarized her results in a pie chart. There are 260 cars in the lot. How many cars are either red or black? Ibig sabihin, magkasama sila, red and black. So, wala siguro magawa si Heidi. At binigay lang niya yung kotse, mga kulay. So, ito yung sagot. So, makita natin sa graph, may 30% ang black, 25% ang red. So 30 plus 25, 55%. 55. So, mumultiply mo yan sa 260. At ang kalahati ng 50%, kalahati niyan, 130. So, hindi na kagad pwedeng letter C. So, ang choice na lang ay letter D, 143.